Hi guys, this series is not going to be probably continuing. I think it's just going to be one episode, but if I do want it to continue, I will continue it. But the characters in it is Flair, which is me. Zane, which is a female. I accidentally messed up on the thing. Vladley says my son because his dad hated Damien. And yeah. So I just hope you guys enjoy this. Let's just get into this video. Damien's so stupid. Okay, yeah, we can have turkey for dinner, breakfast, that's fine. I'm gonna go to the village and just talk to people. Hey Dana, hey Ivy, hey guys. Hey guys. Oh hey. Oh, hey. Flair, how was your day? Oh, right, I forgot. The voice. Yeah. It's okay, don't worry. You just forgot. Hi, Ivy, how was your night? Oh, it was fine. I was just hanging out with Craigie. I don't know how to pronounce his name anymore. Help me. It's fine, Ivy. It's fine. Calm down. But then, do you know, what time Damien wakes up? You are his sister. Oh, yeah. He just wakes up at any time. Sometimes if he hears creaks, yeah, he'll probably wake up. Okay, well, I'm gonna talk to Zekai. Hi, Zekai. Zekai. I'm not supposed to be sitting on... Hey, look at me. Fine. I'm gonna go talk to Clyken, her brother. No one knows how to pronounce his name. Creek-Eye. Right, Creek-Eye. Hello, Creek-Eye. Hello, Clyke. Why does no one want to talk to me? Oh, right, Seth. Thanks, Seth. Okay, well, time to go home, check if the kids are awake, and see if Damien's awake. Okay, let's go see that. Okay. Damien, you're awake. Good morning, Flo. Good morning, babe. Face turns red. What did you call me? Oh, I forgot we were together here. I'm sorry. No, it's fine, babe. You got me at tail blushes a lot. It's fine. Okay. It's okay, Flower. You can call me whatever you want. Really, Damien? Yeah, it's fine. Now go make food or get some because they don't let me go to the town because everyone thinks I killed you, but I killed you, but I was like, no, I didn't, because I loved you. Stop blushing. You loved me? Well, Damien. But here's some chicken, here's some turkey, and so, Damien, everyone doesn't like you because they thought you killed me in the battle on my village. Mommy, thank you for the turkey. Oh, Radley, Zane, you guys are awake. How's your throat? Good, Mommy. Your ears are still coming in. So cute. Okay, well, you guys should have more sleep because I need more sleep. Okay. So, you guys can do whatever you guys want in the house. Just don't make a mess because Damien said not to. Damien, you gonna come with me? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go then. Let me just check if I have. Yep. We're not over here. Why over here? Damien. Oh my god! Why is this happening? Why am I so upset? Well, so Flo, do you yes, blushes thinks he's gonna ask us to marry her. Do you wanna Yes, Damien! Do you wanna marry me? Face turns red. Mind. Oh my gosh. OMG, yeah. Out of mind. Yes, Damien. Yes, Damien. OMG, you really want to marry me? Me? Marry me? Oh my god. Kisses him. Damien. When will we be married though? We'll have to leave the village because Seth controls it and said if you want to marry him, you have to leave. Where are we supposed to live? You have nowhere to live, Damien. It's fine. We'll figure out a way to stay with Dana. Or we can live with Dana. Did he say anything about that? He said nothing about that, Damien. What about Violet? It's gonna be devastated. He always had Seth there was for his bodyguard. Zane's gonna be happy about it. I know she is. But Violet is gonna be devastated. Did we need reflectors? Well, let's go. Okay, let's go. A few years later, on the wedding day. Okay, guys, this is out of the RP right now because for one reason, I want to give thanks to the creator of the skin. Thank you, the creator of the skin. Thank you. She is a YouTuber. It is Coco2249. You guys probably saw one of these skins in one of my other videos, but this is just something. And also, there's no music in the background, and also, I cannot find a skin that look like Damien. And also, Damien's just gonna be in this normal outfit, and everyone's just gonna be in the normal outfits. But Seth isn't here, and my kids aren't here either. So yeah, that's just a reminder, and also we only have a few more minutes into this video, so let's just begin. Okay, today is the day me and Damien get married. I am not prepared at all. Why are Ivy and Dana looking at each other like they're lovey? Someone tell me, are they together? She goes. Damien. Leo. So, this is actually the first, oh wait, darn, this is actually the first wedding I've ever attended to. That is mine. This means Seth did not get married. But I did have a kid. All I know. But, yeah. Do you think the priest is gonna come? I don't think so. Same, I don't think so either. After the wedding. Damien. Stop been such a shy boy on my wedding. Well,